everybody.
Hey.
I'm Dominique.
I'm Diamond.
And we are the
Edward
Edward Sisters Property Group. Thanks so much for joining us. It's Monday, March 16th, and that means it's Market Monday. Today's Market Monday update, we're going to be going over the Journal Square Market. So, Journal Square is a historic hustle and bustle neighborhood located in Jersey City. It's the former home of the Jersey Journal, where it gets its name. It was one of the hottest shopping districts in the area. If you ask any old-time resident of Jersey City and you ask them, where did you shop growing up? I can bet you they're going to say it was Journal Square.
Oh, yeah.
And Journal Square was also home to two amazing classical theaters, the Loews Theater and the Stanley Theater, which are both there today.
Now today, Journal Square is still a huge shopping district, but its biggest attraction for people moving into the area is definitely the pass station and the bus station. Now there's loads of new development like the Journal Square Towers and a whole lot more. So let's get into what makes its real estate market so hot.
So the average sales price across all categories was $446,000. That is an 11% increase over the previous year at $398,000. So that was such a high jump in sales. Now this might have been due to there being so many high-priced new construction properties that sold during the year, which is a great thing, especially for investors and builders.
Oh, yeah.
So now in the condos category, the average selling price was $340,000. And just a side note, there were actually many condos in Journal Square that sold for under $200,000. There were even many that sold under $150,000. So that means that there's plenty of deals in the condo category, whether you're an investor or a first-time home buyer.
Right.
Now, for the one families, it was $552,000. The average for two families, $600,000, and the average for three families was $635,000.
Now the average days on market was 39 days. So that's a decrease over the previous year at 41 days. So it takes a few less days now to sell your home. Now 39 days is great, and it's nice to see that reasonably priced homes on average can expect to be on market for less than a month and a half.
Yeah, that's great. So now the list price to sold price ratio in Journal Square was 99%.
Wow.
What that means is that the average home, it sold for 99% of its asking price. So this means if you're selling your home, pricing it competitively should reward you with getting within 1% of your asking price, which is a great deal for you.
Oh yeah, now this is amazing, but do understand that this strength will not last forever.
Yeah.
We are in a market shift, and Journal Square will start to see the effects of it soon, so please don't wait too long to put your home on the market.
Yes. Now, if you're a buyer, what this means is that Journal Square's market is still got some heat to it.
Oh, yeah.
So you may not want to make extremely low offers expecting to get it accepted. You're going to have to be willing to negotiate a bit, and don't be surprised if you have to pay about 99% of the asking price or a little more, which would be a very strong offer.
Right. Now the average rent for studios to one bedrooms was $1,550. The average for two bedrooms was $1,850, and for three bedrooms, the average was $2,000.
So the question becomes, are you better off renting or buying? Well, Journal Square, as I said before, is home to hundreds of condos. It's very possible that the apartment that you're renting or you may rent is actually already a condo, and there might be units for sale either in your building or in your neighborhood right around you. I can guarantee that. So with the rent prices that we mentioned before, you will pay about the same or even less money owning the condo than you would renting the condo. So it would be in your best interest to own it and be able to have it as yours, be able to customize it and improve it, and you would get to build equity while living there. So for Journal Square, the answer is yes, absolutely. That is the place to buy.
Oh yeah.
So now we have the highest price listings and the lowest sold listing for 2018.
Yes, so the lowest price sold listing was a studio over on Corbin Avenue. It sold for $85,000, all cash, and it had really low taxes and a low HOA fee, which made it super easy to invest.
And the highest sold listing was a package deal over on Highland Avenue. It was actually two-family homes that were attached. They were gorgeous Victorians with all the original details and beauty preserved inside. They brought in, which this is super impressive, guys, they brought in $7,600 a month in rental income for all of the units. So it sold for over $1.5 million
in cash.
Wow. Great deal.
Awesome. Now we've got a link to some of the hottest deals in Journal Square. To view them, you could tap the link accompanied with this video, or you could find it in our bio. There's some really sweet deals on homes of every kind, so make sure you guys check it out.
Thanks so much for watching Market Monday. If you or someone you know is interested in buying, selling, renting, or investing in Journal Square, give us a call. Bye.
Bye.